So it's okay. So our big topic is non-kosher foods. Okay. So we are point number 2, and we say oif tameh, right? Non-kosher fowl. The Torah also differentiates between a kosher and non-kosher birds. Okay, non-kosher birds. Unlike the discussion of the animal, the Torah gives no simanim to differentiate between kosher and non-kosher birds. Right? In when we're talking about big animals, right? I mean, not like animals, right? So we say that it has to have split hoofs and it should chew its cud. Here is about birds does not say. Right? Only we're given the list of the birds which not to eat. The Torah merely lists 24 types of forbidden birds, and all other birds are assumed to be kosher. So, as the author clearly said, it's types of the birds. It's not number it's all of the type of these birds has many subspecies, sub divisions, right? So it's not only 24 types of it's big family groups. Okay, continue. Sinaic oral tradition thus provides signs to identify the non-kosher birds. Right. However, since the lack of experience to apply these rules, we are permitted to eat only these birds traditionally accepted as kosher. So if you look at in the Rambam, the laws of these forbidden foods, he actually discuss all of this science, how you can see, how would you know about birds, it's kosher or not kosher, and even eggs, like by the shape of the egg you can tell, and same with animals, by the shape of the horns, right? How they bend this way or that way. Very interesting. You can tell whether the animal is kosher or not. Right, but since it's a biblical prohibition, we're going stringently, and we say if we don't have tradition, we don't eat. Even according to our knowledge, all of the signs are there. So maybe we're missing something. So we don't eat. We don't eat animals. We don't eat birds that we don't have clear tradition that we can eat them. All various of the common chicken are accepted as kosher. Okay. Similarly, common domestic ducks, geese, and doves are considered kosher. Okay. Many Sephardi communities have tradition to eat quail. Is a kosher quail. I'm sorry. Many Sephardi communities have a tradition to eat quail. That the quail is a kosher fowl. I apologize. So they know, they have tradition from where? Let me see the commentary. So it's a slab that was eaten in the Sinai desert. Is usually considered to be the quail. Nevertheless, there is no universally accepted tradition in regard to its kashrut. So I mean, there is two or three different translations. Okay, but these people have clear tradition, no problem. With the appearance of the turkey meat as a common food, poskim question whether a reliable tradition exists concerning the kashrut. So that's the famous question, right? Are you allowed to eat turkey? Right? Okay, so let's see. Common custom today accepts turkey as a kosher fowl, but it's not so simple. There is no definite tradition about the status of the pheasant. Okay, so turkey we do it. Pheasant we don't know. Peacock. Guinea, a hen. Partridge. I'm not sure what is this bird. A swan. Okay, I'm not sure. Although swan is known as barbur, and is and as noted in one of the delicacies of the Shabbos in the Shabbos miras, Very interesting. We have no definite tradition regarding the swans. Okay, so that's why we don't eat it. Okay. Or certain species of the wild ducks and geese, pigeons and doves. So wild. Okay, so we're not sure about them. Therefore, they should not be eaten. The eggs of any non-kosher fowl are also prohibited. Okay, so Yerodaya 86. So as we said before, all of the product of non-kosher animals are also not kosher, except from honey.